How to do sending email notifications in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over to squarespace.com and then access your website. I have in here my configuration for my website. So what we can do is you first need to head over right here into our email campaigns. And you can find right here any campaigns that you have. If you have some active campaigns, you can resend them if you would want. However, if you have some products and someone has already ordered from you, just head over and click on the disorder option. Now in here, you can see that if you have some orders, you can actually resend the order confirmation as well as the actual order summary from there onto the email notifications tab. Now, if you want to resend appointment confirmation emails, just use the Acuity account to log into your scheduling system and then click on the actual appointment that you have. So, as of right now, you can do so by going to the orders, or you can also use Acuity in order to resend some emails. So, that's how you resend email notification in Squarespace. Hope we helped.